Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I have no makeup on because I wanted to give you some ideas of what you need to do to your face when you're getting ready in the morning. Or you could do this at night too, because I know I have clients call me and say, "Oh, what should I do? What should I put on? What should I, wear?" But I just want to give you a thought process of things that you can do while you're getting ready. And I thought, not having any makeup on right now is a good way to do it. Sometimes we don't feel very good, and sometimes we feel great. It just depends on the day. I know myself, I've had a lot of challenges this last year. I am going to do a video, which I hope will be in the next week or so, of what I've gone through with my health, and I think it's going to help a whole lot of people. So I'm excited to do it. I just haven't been, ready to do it yet. So anyway, let's start here. Everybody at some time needs to exfoliate their skin. Some products are real gentle. You could do it more often than others. My way I do it, because I could just tell by feeling my skin. I don't like the way it feels. It just has that kind of that rough feeling right in here. So a product for that, which you can use right before you use your skincare, is this by Pure Herb. It's their Bubble Mineral Essence. And the thing I like about this, you can just put it on and then rub it into your skin. And I just really rub it in here good. You can put a little bit more on. I'm not trying to, but I can feel it exfoliating a little bit myself. I don't know if it's meant for that. I don't know. They have it under the toner category, but, it does hydrate. It's very hydrating. So I just usually rub it in, and it makes my skin just feel a lot smoother. Also, I have it on my website. I give you a little, and you can buy one too, the microderm exfoliant. You can put these together, mix a little bit of this, put a little bit of exfoliant in there, and do your face, and then you do need to rinse that off. But it's a wonderful exfoliation treatment, very hydrating, and extremely inexpensive. So for those of you that don't have a lot of money, this is a good thing to do. So you're going to get hydration, exfoliation, purifying. So then it smells great. So that's the first thing. And then, as always, I use the JoElla Milan Capture Youth Water. Would never be without this. Twice a day. You want to spray it on. This one's the large size, 16 ounce, which is actually the most popular size. You want to spray it on or pump it on your hand every morning, every night, and just really, really rub it into the skin and all around the eyes too. It's going to help with those crepey eyes. It's just rub it in, rub it in the neck, just rub it. Don't pat it on. That's not what you do. You want to rub it in because you want to get it into the skin. This is with the ions in it. It likes the friction of rubbing. It likes that. So that's why you want to rub it in. And again, with the crepey eyes, just really rub it in there, all around them. So that's my other thing that I do. Now, I'm not doing this now, but the tie-dye and the tight neck, these are great products. They can work instantly, and it can work cumulatively. I usually do it more for the cumulative, more so than the instant. But I do once in a while, like if I get up today, and I don't like the way I look, before I get in my shower, I'll put the tie-dye on and maybe put it under here, and I like to go up on it. And then on the eyebrow, in this area, go up. You always want to go up. So that's one thing I do. And if you have an 11 there, put some on there. And you want to go up. And then the tight neck, what I do with this one, I put it on the sides of my mouth, and in here, and on the jawline, and on the neck. That's what I do with that. And you want to leave these on for about 5 minutes or so. They do get firm. You could feel it. And then get in the shower and then just kind of wet your hands a little bit when you're after a few minutes in there and just lightly rinse it off. You don't have to rub it off, just lightly rinse it off. You know, where a lot of the ones that firm your skin right away, you just leave on. And this doesn't leave a residue or anything on there. So that's another tip. And I'm going to link these all down below. Okay, so then we have, now this, the Viktoria de Ann, which I love. You can do so many different things with this. And whoops, excuse me, I can see a hair in my face. You can do so many different things, and it doesn't have to be the same thing every day. You know, go by what you think you need. You get to know your face. You just look at it and go, oh my God, today I need to do this or that or whatever. So the basics are like the Peptide Lift and the Peptide Tone. These have been around from the beginning. And, you know, when I first started with them, I used these two products and this because they didn't have that many products in. The eye serum, I had incredible results just with these 3 products right here. So the Peptide Lift, the Peptide Lift lifts the skin. It lifts. So that you want to use every day. Now the tone tones the skin. So, you know, when, like, especially here, when, you know, as we get older, this little area gets soft. So that's, to me, you could tell that's like tone. So you want to put this on. I put them all, that's how I do it. When I put these on my skin, I go under my eye. That's what I do with every one of them. Peptide Lift, Peptide Tone. So the lift lifts, the tone tones. Then, one of my very favorite products, Peptide Pad. Now, I use this every day, twice a day. And the reason why, this helps restore the natural fat pad areas. It helps with the wrinkles. And when you have a wrinkle, you know, you get part of your skin, you've lost your natural fat pads. And then you have some elastin still in there too. But some of the areas where the fat pad's gone is where you see the wrinkles in there. So I do the same thing with my Peptide Pad. I put it on everywhere. You know, because, you can have hollows under the eyes. It's going to help with that. And for me, I have these little lines by my eyebrows that goes back several years when my cat was sick and I slept screwy for 6 months, but I got little wrinkles. As long as I use this every day, I don't have any wrinkles there at all. They're not there. So if you have a wrinkle 11, use it. If you have an 11, put it on there every day, and then slowly you won't notice it. I want to say you give it 3 months. Don't expect to see miracles overnight. This is not an overnight product. For you that have lines around here, twice a day, you want to put it there. The nasolabial areas, twice a day. I just love this product. I would never be without any of them, but this one just does so many miracles. And the thing that's nice is sometimes, you know, I'll go, oh my gosh, where'd that wrinkle come from? And then instantly I start putting it on there, and then the wrinkle goes away, and then I don't see it. After I have to use it a while, but those are great. Now, here's another one, Peptide Elastin. This is for the helps improve the elasticity of the skin. And it's also good for the jowl area. So you want to use it in this area and on the neck. And I like this, the elastin, with the Peptide Lift, because you're lifting and you're helping with the elasticity. So these two work really well together. And these are the professional size. Those are not retail size. So when I send you a smaller bottle, don't wonder what happened. These are just my bottles that I use. So then another great product here is Procol. And this is to help restore the collagen. And this is also great on the face, on this area, because it's helping with your collagen levels. And the neck, anywhere that you feel like you need, you have anti-aging. You just make an incredible, changes to the skin. And then we have, there's a few other products here that I didn't happen to bring, but I just want to show you what you could do with these. Now, another product that I have here is this is a newer one by Lemieux. This is in their, I can't even think of the name of it, but they have a line just for estheticians. So anyway, this is called Beauty Reset Flash Firming. I love this product because it's anti-aging. In fact, I talked to Lemieux quite a while. I've been with him many years, and one of the people that I work with there, she goes, "Oh, you've got to try this. Oh, I just love it." So that's what I did. And this is also anti-aging. You put it, I put it on after I get on my Viktoria de Ann. That's what I do. And you want to put this on, same thing. But what's so unique about this is that it's anti-aging, hydrating, and it helps with your pigmentation. Like your spots, little spots in that, you'll see in time they start really disappearing or, lightening up quite a bit. Makes a big change, and I really, really, really like this. So I recommend that. Beauty Reset. So just, again, I don't want to overwhelm you. These are what I go through in the morning, when I'm critiquing my face to see what I want. If you have pigmentation, we have Correct HP, which is great. And you want to use that if you have pigmentation. They've got Peptide Clear if you have acneic products. And then there's Peptide Repair that goes along well with that. So they just have so many products that will address each issue. And the thing that with peptides, they call them messengers. You want to apply them one at a time. You don't cocktail them. One at a time, because as each one goes on the face, like Peptide Lift, it knows when you apply it, it's going to be lifting the areas that need lifting. When you put on your Peptide Tone, it's going to go to the areas of the face that need toning. So each one has a job to do, and each one knows what job it's supposed to do. And if you use them, you're going to get great results. I've used it personally way over 10 years. I can't keep track of time. I've been with the company from the beginning. And I don't, however long they've been in business, that's how long I've used them. So again, I don't have any makeup on. I don't even look that great today, but this is the way it is. I work a lot. I was working really late last night, so, I am a little bit tired. And, but I know I feel so good at my age, my skin, it's tight and firm. And the thing that I like too, is like, and this, I give this for the Peptide pads. My cheeks are where they belong. I don't use fillers or Botox, any of that stuff, or injectables. I'm going to say, I'll use that word instead. And another thing, which is not my routine. I saw this with somebody, but I've been doing that. When I put on these products in here, I go like that, and you could see that. I put it on, and I just kind of, it's kind of like an extra massage when you go on there and just lift that up. But see, this is all where it's supposed to be. And no lines. That's purposely why I don't have any makeup on right now. I just wanted you to see it. It's the products. It's not me. Now I can go and put on my makeup, and then I'm going to look good, before I go out. But, I think being more stripped bare like this is a better way to tell what's working or what's not working. And my eyes, I've got, I love how my eyes are. It's funny, Viktoria de Ann, again, we're going way over 10 years ago. They took a picture of my eye because it looks so great, and they have it at their booth at the skincare shows. And my eye still looks the same. I mean, it's over 10 years. It still looks great. I've got to do that. I've got to get that picture. And then my picture now. And you're going to see all these years have gone by and my eyes have not changed. And as far as the lines and the wrinkles and that. And again, I don't use injectables. So I give it 100% the products, that they're what makes my skin looks good. If I didn't use them, I don't even want to think about what I would look like. So I have them listed below with the links. If you have any questions, please you could either send me an email or call me on my toll-free number. You know, I do answer my phone when I can. If I don't, I get right back to you. I don't wait 48 hours. And I love to help you. And with these products, I've used them longer than just about anyone. So I know how they work. You know, I don't just have them on my website and you're like, please buy. They work. And I feel like I'm you know, pretty much an expert on these products, which is what you want when you want to have improvements to your skin. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I enjoy helping you. Thank you. Bye.